I figured you're gonna get a blue screen right there, baby.
Olivia!
Look right above you.
Olivia! Give some smiles. It's so creepy. It looks like it's Saturday Night Live.
Mr. Munch right by us. He's a pacifier.
So funny.
You gotta check her.
Oh, it went away. She's looking around like, what? Oh my god, she is up there. Keep her right there.
Well, if you wait, it'll put her on screen up there. Olivia! Olivia! Hi. Hi. Oh, damn, that's nice.
Oh my